Given how stressful our lives have gotten, having a fidget toy by your side at all times is a must. But how do you know which ones are the most functional, effective, and worth your money, with so many available options on the market? Well, we can help you out. From magnetic balls to toys shaped like game controllers, here are some of the coolest fidget toys worth your attention. If you happen to struggle with ADHD, you will love number 1 on our list. So make sure you stick with us and find out. Let's start. Number 10. Fidget Cube. A remarkably addicting, high-quality fidget toy that does not only helps you focus, but looks pretty cool on your office desk. The Fidget Cube is a must-have in your collection. It has 6 sides, with each side featuring something unique to help you concentrate. You can click, glide, flip, breathe, roll, and spin, all while noticing a considerable decrease in your anxiety levels. It's the ultimate toy for fidgeters of all ages. But if you're someone with ADHD, you will find the Fidget Cube particularly helpful. The spin side is functional when you're looking for a circular fidget, while the roll side features gears and balls that are all about the rolling movements. Time to get rid of the annoying habit of clicking a pen, because the click side of the Fidget Cube offers 3 clicker buttons and 2 silence buttons to satisfy the clicker in all of us. Number 9. Thinking Putty. An innovative invention that brings joy and wonder to kids and adults of all ages. The Thinking Putty will relieve your stress in ways you didn't anticipate before. It is safe, non-toxic, and will never dry out. The stretchable, sculptable, and bounceable nature of the toy offers tons of fun to everyone above 3. It's also available in over 50 varieties, including seasonal and holiday colors and DIY kits. There's something available for pretty much everyone. It doesn't require any batteries and no complicated instructions, so your creativity is free to flow. You can play with the Thinking Putty at home, school, work, in the car, or anywhere else you want. This unique fidget toy is ideal for stress relief, mindfulness, and good old-fashioned concentration. Number 8. Bucky Balls. Shapes, tricks, and all the creativity you can imagine. These balls look cool as heck and are just as exciting to play with. You can grab a magnetic ball or 2 from the clump and pull gently, molding it into different shapes according to your mood. Moreover, you can also construct a tube, a sheet, a triangle, and even a hexagon using these magnetic balls. Wrap a chain around your finger, and you've got a cube. To turn it into a sheet, start with your balls in a chain, then zigzag them back and forth. The magnetic balls would line up in a sheet, making a perfect grid. The hexagon is a bit tricky. You'd have to start with a chain of at least 18 magnetic balls, make a loop with the first 6, and wrap the remaining ones around the circle. It's going to be pretty satisfying when they snap into place. Number 7. FLEXI Puzzle. As the name suggests, you get to flex your mind with this cool puzzle. The 12 cubes of the FLEXI puzzle can be bent in every direction. And if you don't know which is the right way, the 80 challenges and 4 levels of difficulty will guide you through. This brain teaser will have you twisting and turning, but that's half the fun. It works as an excellent stress reliever and is compact and portable enough for you to have it around your study desk. The FLEXI puzzle is a single-player game and is ideal for anyone aged 8 or above. Number 6. Rolling Sticks. KURURIN. This one is a bit different from the rest of the fidget toys featured here, but the rolling sticks are surprisingly pretty excellent and effective for relieving anxiety. They're also easy to play with. You can use one finger to flip and roll it from left to right or up to down. You can also turn it 360 degrees and make it upright by itself. Play with 3 or more friends. Pass the toy from one to another while flipping and rolling it continuously, and have plenty of fun at a party using this quirky fidget toy. The fidget stick set is excellent for improving hand-eye coordination through tricks, spins, and turns. It's also a novel idea, but its simple design and complex play make it perfect for your desk and everyday use. Number 5. Twiddle Fiddle. 2 feet of pure fidgeting bliss. The Twiddle Fiddle is one of those all-time favorite toys you wouldn't ever want to put down. You can twist it, scrunch it, and shape it into endless creative structures. You can even take some of the segments apart and put them back together whenever you want. Twiddle is the kind of toy you can turn into 2 or 3 smaller fidgets, so you and all your friends can have plenty of fun. Finger strengthening, bilateral coordination, motor planning, and fine motor skills play. You get to enjoy all of it in one single toy. Beware though, you might end up spending hours playing with this new fiddle toy and then regret it later. However, it would eliminate all your stress. That's for sure. Number 4. Fin gears. Our bodies are naturally designed to move, and movement keeps the body healthy. That applies to all parts of your body. You can ensure a healthier mind and body using fin gears, magnetic freestyle rings different from any other fidget or stress relief gadget out there. There are endless possibilities, including using tricks, spinning, and sticking them to surfaces, and playing games with friends. These rings also help you remain ambidextrous because they keep one of your hands busy while you use the other one for work. The development of motor skills is beneficial for all types of people, regardless of age, so you can't go wrong with a toy like this. Charge your imagination, improve cognitive and creative abilities, strengthen your memory, and say goodbye to stress with the handy fin gears at your desk. Number 3. Fidget Pad. No, it's not a mini game controller. It's one of the coolest and most functional fidget toys on the market, the Fidget Pad. It carries 8 fidget relieving functions that will assist you in fighting against stress, anxiety, and bad habits. It has a distinctive design, making it attractive for people of all ages, but especially children. The Fidget Pad is one of the few fidget toys that allows you to play with both hands simultaneously. Click, roll, massage, shift, breathe, flip, and spin, all with one compact and handy toy. The impressive gears, slips, switches, buttons, and rollers offer tactical feedback and resistance to ensure maximum fidgeting for the anxious mind. The toy is also durable, lightweight, and portable. You can easily attach the pad to your keychain, lanyard, or backpack and take it with you anywhere you go. This way, you'll always have a fidget toy ready at your disposal. Number 2. Thumbchucks. Master tricks anywhere you go with the portable and lightweight fidget toy that is sure to catch anyone's attention from miles away. Thumbchucks are a skill-based toy that you can use to create all kinds of maneuvers and moves with your hands. Simply push in the plug at the end of the belt securely, and mix and match the detachable chucks to fit your style. Push it back till you feel the connector click into place. Thanks to the adjustability, the belt is suitable for everyone. The thumbchucks also feature LED light inside, joined by a soft fabric belt, giving a striking appearance. These toys are ideal for keeping in a pocket or purse. You can pull them out and practice anywhere you want. At the beach, the classroom, your workplace, or the comfort of your living room. The official website also has videos of tricks rated easy, medium, and challenging, so there are several ways for children to learn and develop enhanced motor and cognitive skills. Number 1. Infinity Cube. At first, you might be confused looking at the Infinity Cube, but there's no doubt once you start playing with it, you never want to give it back. The Infinity Cube is kind of a mechanical puzzle toy with mathematical principles and a shape that resembles a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Fidgeting with this cube will drastically improve your focus and allow you to concentrate on the task at hand. It's the go-to office desk accessory, and you can effortlessly fidget with one hand and work with the other. You can fold it over and over again, infinitely, while you brainstorm ideas. It's ideal when you want to take a break from your stress-induced phone and work environments. It will clear up your mind and motivate you to tackle the new project or task at hand. The cube has a solid feel and a smooth surface, so it feels great in your hands. It's highly recommended for anyone struggling with stress or has a hard time concentrating.